Good morning from Iloilo, and this is flight 5J1140 Iloilo to Clark. This plane is from Thailand. Departed Thailand at around wee hours of the morning, early morning, around 2 a.m. perhaps. Because originally from Clark, it will fly to Iloilo at night. It will arrive around 11 p.m. It will stay for a while here in Iloilo. Then it will accommodate passengers either Hong Kong, Thailand, or Singapore. Then after the return at the from an international flight, it will return to Iloilo to pick up passengers from Iloilo. Then it will proceed to Clark. So we are boarding now. So this is the morning view of Iloilo Airport, and little bit hazy, but the rain has already stopped, and we are boarding. See, so if you want to go to Northern Luzon, bypassing the heavy traffic in Metro Manila, you could opt for this route from Iloilo and nearby provinces. So if you're from Antique, Guimaras, Rojas, or Aklan, perhaps you could bypass via this route. So Iloilo to Clark. I just booked this flight because of an emergency travel. I just booked it at around 12 hours ago, and the price is a little way cheaper compared to Manila to Iloilo to Manila flight. So we'll update. Yeah, see you at Clark.